Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lub English. I'm Alice, and I'm very happy you're listening today. In the last episode, we learned how to talk about yourself. Today, we will learn something just as important, talking about other people in English. Talking about other people helps you describe your family, friends, classmates, coworkers, or people you meet every day. It's useful in conversations, storytelling, introductions, and daily life. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to describe someone in English but didn't know the right words? Maybe you wanted to talk about your friend, your teacher, or a family member. Don't worry, talking about other people can be simple and clear when you learn the right structure. You don't need difficult vocabulary. You only need basic sentences and calm confidence. In today's episode, we will practice how to talk about someone's name, how to say who they are, friend, family, coworker, how to describe what they do, how to talk about their personality and interests, how to speak politely and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners. You can use it at school, work, family gatherings, or casual conversations. Take a deep breath and imagine someone asking you, "Can you tell me about your friend?" By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say. When you talk about other people, you can follow a simple structure, just like when you talk about yourself. Step 1. Say who the person is. Start by explaining your relationship. This is my friend. She is my sister. He is my coworker. Step 2. Say their name. Her name is Anna. His name is David. Work or study. Say what they do. She is a student. He works in an office. She is a teacher. Step 4. Talk about personality or interests. Keep it simple and positive. She is very kind. He is friendly and calm. She likes reading books. He enjoys playing football. Step 5. Add a closing sentence. She is a great person. I enjoy spending time with him. Example: This is my friend Anna. She is a student. She is kind and likes reading books. She is a great friend. You don't need long sentences. Clear and simple sentences are perfect. Talking about other people becomes easy when you follow these steps. Let's practice questions and answers about other people. Basic questions. Question: Who is she? Answer: She is my sister. Question: What's his name? Answer: His name is David. Work or study. Question: What does she do? Answer: She is a student. Answer, another way: She works in a shop. Personality. Question: What is he like? Answer: He is friendly and helpful. Hobbies. Question: What does she like to do? Answer: She likes listening to music. Polite follow-up questions. How old is he? Where does she work? Does he like his job? If you are not sure, I think she is a teacher. He works in an office, I believe. Practicing these questions helps you describe people naturally and confidently in daily conversations. Talking about other people is common in social interactions. Talking about family. This is my mother. She is very kind. My brother is a student. Talking about friends. She is my best friend. He is very funny and friendly. Talking at work or school. She is my classmate. He is my manager. Introducing someone. This is Anna. She is my friend. Let me introduce David. He works with me. When someone talks about another person, you can respond politely. That's nice. She sounds very kind. He seems interesting. Tips to sound natural. Use simple words. Speak slowly. Use he and she clearly. Be polite and positive. Talking about other people helps you connect, share stories, and feel more confident in English. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to talk about other people in English. We practiced describing who they are, what they do, their personality, and their interests using simple sentences. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar. Clear, kind, and simple English is enough to communicate well. Here is your practice for today. Say this out loud. This is my friend. Her name is Anna. She is a student. She is kind and likes reading books. Now try changing the sentences. Talk about someone you know, a friend, a family member, or a coworker. Practice every day, even for a few minutes. Speaking English becomes easier with time and confidence. Thank you for listening to Lub English. I'm Alice, and I'm proud of you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and enjoy talking about other people in English.